Hi, I'm Amanda Woody. I'm the Family and Consumer Sciences Extension Agent in Pickett County.
And I'm Elizabeth Sanders. I'm the Family Consumer Sciences Agent in Davidson County. Amanda, what are we making today?
Today we're making turkey frittata. We're using our leftover Thanksgiving turkey to create this recipe.
Perfect. Sounds like an awesome breakfast, especially for Black Friday. Get your protein in before shopping, right?
Yes, it's going to be really good. You know, we've already spent that time cooking the turkey, and we're using the leftovers in a resourceful way. So we're going to have our leftover turkey along with some potatoes, eggs, onions, green peppers, cheese, and a few other seasonings to create this frittata.
It sounds great. Let's get started.
First, we're going to start by preheating the broiler so that it'll be ready to go when this is ready to get in the oven. Then we're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil to our skillet. We've let our skillet warm up to about a medium-high heat. We're going to add a half a cup of onion.
Can't go wrong with onion.
Well, it smells so good once it starts cooking. We're going to add a half a cup of green pepper.
Alright, so what are our next ingredients?
Now we're going to add a cup of potatoes that we've chopped up. Let those cook just a little bit to brown.
Yep.
Now we're going to add our leftover turkey. Just stir it around so that everything mixes together. While that cooks for just a minute, we can take our eggs, whisk them together. Yeah. And add our cream to our eggs. Season with some salt and pepper. Now we're going to turn our skillet off, add our egg mixture, just kind of smooth out everything. Top with half a cup of cheese. You can use cheddar cheese or mozzarella. I'm using a mixture of cheddar cheeses. And we're going to sprinkle some fresh herbs. Today I'm using parsley. You could use basil or whatever your favorite herb is. Now it's going to go under the broiler for a couple of minutes, and we'll see what it looks like when it's done.
Perfect. We'll meet you right back here. Wow, Amanda, this looks great.
So here's our finished turkey frittata. It was under the broiler for about 8 minutes to give it time to get brown, the cheese to melt, and the eggs to cook through.
Perfect. Well, I can't wait to dig into this. I hope you'll enjoy.